comes for next and for next with step. So I will be taking that. I think if I see, if I for next and looping, when I will be taking, I will be giving examples and I will be going through that. Because if I just write the syntax of that for next and other types of loop, you won't be able to understand. But if I take the example here step by step and go, you will be understanding in a more easier way. So what is it? Some of the other types of looping statements are, one is for next, second one is do while, do loop, wherein there are two types of do loop. One is do while loop, and second one is do loop while, and third one is while when. So what are these three categories? One is for next, do loop again is two types, do while loop, do loop while, and third one is while when. So these are the things we will be studying with the help of an example, so that it will be much easier, because if I just go through the syntax of this, it will be difficult to understand. Okay, so I will write the syntax, then I will write the example, and then I will tell you how it works. Syntax of for next. For I equal to initial value to final value. Okay, something is there. Executable statements. And next time. See, I will take the example. See, this is the syntax of for next loop. For I is equal to initial value to final value. Some statements are there, executable statements, and next I. So when I write a program using this syntax, how it will be, and I will tell you what it is. You will be understanding it in a better way. For first thing is always start with CLS. Okay, a program always will start with CLS. Second one is for, see in your book the example which is given is program to print an asterisk in each of the 10 rows. Okay, each of the 10 rows. So how it starts? For I is equal to initial value to final value. For I equal to initial value 1 to final value 10. Print. Again there is inverted comma, asterisk I am giving, inverted comma, complete. So what it means, when the program is executed, the whole thing which is inside the inverted comma gets printed on the screen. Okay. Next I. So can you correlate this statement and this program? Just go through this. See, The syntax, this is the syntax of I. There is no CLS. If you write CLS also, no problem here. The CLS I am giving. Same CLS here also. For I is equal to initial value. I is the initial value is 1, final value is 10. Print asterisk next I. This is the way it is written. Now what happens when you run the program? I am running the program. See, I'll rub off this part so that you know what happens when the running. I can show it on the screen. Actually, these things will be much clearer to you when you run the program in QBasic. Writing theoretical part is little difficult to explain on the board, but when it is in the lab, it will be in an easier way. Now, for example, when I run the program, first thing I'll be getting is I'll be getting the clear screen. The new screen comes here. Suppose this is the monitor. How does for next work? Screen is new because of this thing CLS. For I is equal to 1 to 10, this is the for next statement. This is the loop. This is the loop. This is the for I is equal to 1, value of 1. When I is equal to 1, what is the condition given? Print x. I will be getting asterisk. Then it comes down, the cursor comes down, next I. What will be the value of I? 2. Print x. Next I. 3, 4, 5, 6. We will make the monitor a little bigger. 7, 8, 9, 10. So till 10 it gets printed. After 10, what is the condition? There is no condition after 10 because by 10 it has to end. So this is the initial value and this is the final value, and the loop gets executed from initial value to the final value till it encounters the next statement and finally ending at the final value. Understanding? समझ में आ रहा? CLS, the screen gets cleared. For I initial value 1, it is printing. Then the value gets incremented. See, I have not given any conditions towards the right hand side. So the value gets added one after the other. I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2, I is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Understand? So this is about the for next loop. I will take one more example if it is there, or okay. So this is about I will write down 2 more examples which are not in your text, but it will be easy for you to understand. Program to write square of numbers from 1 to 10. Hope you all understand. Now I am going to write a program to write square of numbers from 1 to 10. I hope you all know what is square of a number. What is square of 2? It is 4. Square of 3, it is 9. 3 multiplied by 3, 9. What is the square of 9? 9 multiplied by 9, it comes to 81. So, this is a program to write square of numbers from 1 to 10. So, every program, as I told, should start with CLS for I equal to 1 to 10. Print what? I multiplied by I. Next I. So when I run this program, Supposing right hand side is your monitor, the CLS will be the first thing you are getting a fresh screen. For I is equal to 1 to 10, what is the initial value? Is 1, final value is 10. Print I multiplied by I. What is the value of I in the beginning? It is 1. Square of I into I, 1 by 1. 1 into 1, it is 1. Next I, the I goes to take the value 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Next I, it goes to I, because next I it is taking the value as 3. 1, then 2, then 3. 3, it will come down again. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. Like that, 4 multiplied by 4 will be 16. 5 multiplied by 5 will be 25. 6 multiplied by 6 will be 36. 7 multiplied by 7 will be 49. 8 multiplied by 8 will be 60. No. 7. 8 multiplied by 8 is 64. 9 is 81, and next will be 100. See what happens, when the number I takes the value 10, the next I, there is no value above 10, so the program ends. We will get the answer this. Understand? This is the initial value, this is the final value. The final value, when the variable takes the final value, the program ends. This is the speciality of for next statement. Understood? I hope the things are clear to you. One more example I will take so that the things are much easier. See, here I have not given any step. It is if there is no step given, then the value gets added one after the other in the what you call as if there is no step given, then the values are taken as the other value, one after the other, in an order, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I will give an example with step. What is that? What is the example? Even numbers from 20 to 10. Is it clear? Write a program to print even numbers from 20 to 10. So this is the reversal. I am not writing a program from 10 to 20. It is from 20 to 10. So how you are going to write program? First one will be CLS. Second will be what? For I equal, what is the initial value? 20. 2. Final value will be 10. And I want what? Even numbers. What are even numbers? Numbers which are divisible by 2 are called as even numbers. So what will be the step which has to come here? Step will be, see, if it was 10 to 20, then I would have given step 2. Now it is 20 to 10, so I will be giving step -2. Then what? Print I next I we will take the example as how it will run. When I run the program, how it will be. So when I run the program, the first line will be CLS. The screen gets, you are getting a new screen. What is the number which will come? 20 first. So I is equal to 20. Print I. Next I. Next I, when it comes, the step is given as -2. So the number will be 20 minus 2 will be 18. Next I will be again 18 minus 2 will be 16. Next I, 16 minus 2 will be 14. Next I, 14 minus 2 will be 12. Next I, 12 minus 2 will be 10. Can anyone tell me whether 10 minus, next I will be 10 minus 2 as 8? The answer is no. Why? Because here I have given the value 22, 10 and step minus 2. Understand? So when it encounters the value, when I encounters the value as 10, it automatically ends the program because our condition, the final value is 10, initial value is 20. Understand? I hope this. See, once again I repeat, when you do this program on in a QBasic format, in a QBasic, or when you write the program in QBasic and run the program, things will be much easier. I can only elaborate how the for next statement works.